Today we got a video from Red Zone Watch, and the title of the video is "What Happens When the Cop is the One Arrested for Drunk Driving?"
A man who had been drinking and was involved in a car accident, explaining the events leading up to the crash, what occurred during it, and the circumstances and consequences that followed.
Check that.
What are you doing? Dude, what's your name?
3-1, who's that plate come back to?
What's your name, dude?
You Deontay? Yeah? Alright.
Deontay, what happened?
Andrew, come fix these cars. The Chargers, please.
Deontay, what happened?
I got you. Put one here, and I leave one down there on the other side of the pole that's down, okay?
Yep.
You got anybody else in there, Eric?
I didn't do a pole down there.
Okay.
No, you want right through a pole.
No, the pole down, no.
3-1.
No.
Do we have any caller info?
But I don't want to waste my time and yours. Are you willing to do them? That's all you. It's
No,
okay.
it's not in here.
Okay. Are you willing to do so right there?
Okay. Do we know if they saw it happen, or if they just saw it happen?
We are not letting you walk out the road.
You're gonna walk away. I'm not going nowhere. You are. I'm not.
Do you feel sobriety test?
Do you want to do them over in front of the bus stop, and we can turn off the lights on those? Yeah.
We'll do them right in this area between the cruisers here.
Yep. Sounds. You got him. Just make sure he doesn't go off this way.
Come on over here, man. Walk this with me.
Well, we got to do. He's not being cooperative.
No, I'm gonna double check the bag because I don't want a firearm or something to be in there.
No.
I copy. Nobody saw it.
Do you have any weapons in the car? No guns, no knives, nothing's gonna poke or stick us.
You know, if I check that bag real quick, we'll make sure there's no weapons.
I did not do that right there.
Okay, that's fine. Do you mind if I check
didn't do
your,
that.
Do you mind if I check your bag real quick?
No, I didn't do that right there.
I'm asking you permission to check inside your vehicle.
Sir, I didn't
Listen.
do that right there.
Do what you got to do.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there. Okay.
Sir,
if
sir.
he's not being cooperative.
I'll let
No,
them do that.
sir.
No, just do what you got to do.
Gotcha.
Okay. That's what we got.
What's your name,
We got to
boss?
handle
Look
this, and we'll go from
Look
there.
at
Okay.
Can you have just your rears on?
Yeah.
Okay.
I get. The problem is if I turn everything off,
Hey.
can't see the side, so I'm gonna move
Look at
this
me.
back a little bit.
We're in no rush.
Okay.
Do have to.
Can you check the
Alright.
Yeah.
All right.
You want to go get checked out in the hospital?
Nope.
Well, while you guys are talking, Deontay, I'm going to pat you down one more time, okay? Do you have any...
Don't.
Place your hands behind your back.
Bro, just put me down.
Place your hands.
Put me down.
Just listen.
Kind.
Just listen.
Put them in here.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm not.
Listen, relax. We're not gonna play games.
We don't have time anymore for you not listening.
Do you say where his ID was?
What? Yeah, he said it was in the vehicle, so told him I was looking for his ID.
Okay. Did you find his ID?
No, there's nothing in the bag. No ID in the bag. Look for
Center
ID.
console, wallet, anything?
Nothing I haven't found yet.
All right.
Nothing with his name on it. I saw one thing from looked like.
If anything, I'm thinking we'll probably just do it at Royalton.
That's fine.
I can just do them right there.
That's fine. If he's not being cooperative here,
Yeah.
you got enough. You got the crash. You got the odor.
Yeah, so as long as they're good.
Take him out there, and we'll tow the car, and he can handle the crash.
Yeah, I'll get the crash. All your evidence.
Whatever you guys need to ask and answer.
Sir.
Was there airbags?
Yeah, all 4 airbags. All
All right. Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Sure. I don't think there's much else.
This is my car.
It's not your car either. Deontay, stop.
I ran the plate. It looks like it's in. And this says Deontay White right now.
Kiss my car. Kiss my car. I'm so sorry.
You got nothing hidden, Deontay?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
3-1. So you got a
Can you put my hat back on?
No, not right now. You need to listen, okay? Knock it off.
You don't have to.
Are they double locked?
No.
Sir, you don't have to.
You need to stand still and
Sir,
relax.
you don't have to. You don't have
Let's
to.
just sit him down. He can answer questions.
On this side or on the other?
This side got the seatbelt.
But wait.
Honestly, I'm surprised this guy is so like uncooperative. Like, you know, all the movements, you know, not like trying to dictate things. Like when the officer was like, you know, I'm gonna pat you down, put your hands behind your back, which obviously that doesn't make sense for a pat down, right? That's why he put his hands out. But the real reason put your hands behind your back is because the officer is gonna cuff you. So, you know, the officer try to get slick there a little bit or whatever. But, you know, all the moving and this and that, and he's, oh, I didn't hit that pole and I didn't do this, I didn't do that. And the thing is that may have worked 15, 20 years ago, you know, probably good 15 years ago, without everyone having the body cams. Was there officers that was getting DUIs and all that stuff, and a fellow colleague pull them over and be like, all right, come on, I'm gonna follow you home. Like, come on, let's go. You know, that happened all the time. Okay, it happens, right? But the fact that now you have body cams and everything, you really got to be on your P's and Q's, because there's very little wiggle room that they have, especially when you have damaged, you know, property. You know, it's over. You're done. You're cooked. It's a wrap. So, you know, it's sad, but you could have just called the Uber.
Take a seat in the car.
Can I put the hat on first?
No, sit down.
Please?
Sit down in the car. You're under arrest. Sit down.
I'm so sorry.
You guys are good? All right. Hey, Deontay. I gotta let you know.
I'm still in the process.
I have it pulled up in my car. I just didn't write it down. It's from the plate. It looks like it's him.
Okay.
So if you want to run it on yours and give it to him or whatever.
All right.
I was like
Hey, somebody stay with him for a minute.
I got this.
Okay, thank you.
Deontay, once they're done with this, are you going to want to do field sobriety tests? Take a second, dude. Once you take a second, I'll need an answer if you want to do them or if you want to refuse the field sobriety test, all right?
I will.
Okay.
I'm sorry, bro.
Dude, you don't got to apologize to me. You don't got to apologize. I wish we weren't here. You don't got to apologize to me. I'm glad you're okay.
I didn't.
Dude, the car was messed up. I'm just glad you're not hurt.
I'm so sorry.
I'm glad you're wearing your seatbelt. It did what it was supposed to do.
Sorry, I just want to call my union first.
You got your union attorney's number in the phone?
That's what I'm calling union first.
You can call the union attorney. You gotta try to get a hold of one of them, all right?
I'm so sorry, yeah.
We'll need the phone number before you make a call, all right?
And then Deontay, just look at me, open up your mouth. Tongue up. No.
I'm sorry.
Oh, here, this is too.
And Deontay, I'm gonna have you use this phone when you make a phone call, okay? We'll just get the number.
I'm gonna call my union guy. You're right.
Yeah, just keep it on speakerphone for me.
Yeah. I got it.
Hey, Andy.
Yeah.
I fucked up. I mean, what's that again?
It was Perma Heights where you got the crash.
I'm in Parma Heights.
Do you want me to tell him? Hi, is this Andy?
Yes.
Hi, Andy. This is Officer Risk, Parma Heights Police Department. Who am I speaking with?
President.
Well, Deontay was involved in a crash here in Parma Heights. Deontay is pretty intoxicated right now. The car looks like it's going to be totaled. He took out a telephone pole. We've got to go through the standard OVI process. He asked if he could speak to you first before we continued further with this, and I thought that was appropriate.
Okay, and I appreciate that, and thank you for letting him reach out and make a call.
Yeah, luckily he's okay. Biggest concern, he said he was wearing a seatbelt. He doesn't look injured. He says he's fine. Nobody else is hurt. The rest of it can be put back together. I'm glad he's okay though.
Perfect. Okay.
I got the phone right in between both of us, okay? That way he can hear you.
No, and I appreciate that, sir. Thank you very much.
All right.
Alrighty, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. If it's not to an attorney, no, not until after we're done with the process. Dude,
I gotta make it.
As soon as we're done, you can do attorney first, man. I know you get it. I'm sorry. But we have to move along with the process is the only thing.
Well, the thing is that it's good that he's clearly they're letting him do his thing. You know what I mean? Because that's not gonna happen to a lot of people. Getting your attorney call so quick, your union call or whatever. Well, he's calling the union guy or whatever, but it's such a tough situation. But also the cop that the body cam that we're actually watching that has it on his chest, he's actually trying to look out for him as best as he could, because when he made the phone call and he started off by saying, I effed up. When he started off by saying that, it's like, ooh, you're already kind of admitting to something, right? It's like a form of guilt. So for the officer, hey, do you want me to talk to him and tell him it a lot better, because you're intoxicated. You're going to slip up and say some things, just like you do by you doing this field sobriety test. You're messing up. You're messing up. And he should know that, but he's probably going to go through it with it anyways or whatever, because anything in the field sobriety test, you could tell that he's highly intoxicated. So that whole field sobriety test is only going to hurt him. It's only going to hurt him. So, but yeah, he shouldn't do he shouldn't do anything, refuse everything. Your license will be suspended for a year or whatever, or until court is done or whatever the case may be. And then, just go with your lawyer. That's what he should do. Now, he let's see if he actually does that though.
I know, do you want to do field sobriety tests? Well, I said whether you want to do them or not, I still have to read you the BMB 2255 form. Once I'm done with that, again, you know the process. I've got to ask if you want to take the breath test. So whether you want to take field sobriety tests or not, that's not going to change the outcome of anything. We still have to go further with that. So if you want to, you can take it.
So it only hurts
but
you.
We're still here.
Can you put me in a cell?
Do you want to not do the test?
I just want a cell, please.
Let me do this. Let me read you this form first. I have to do it.
I don't even know what it says. Sir, I know what it is.
Deontay, you gotta do the same thing I do. It's mandated by the state. We don't have a choice. You don't have to listen. You've done it 100 times. I know you have.
Just call my girlfriend, please.
Let me get through this first.
His emotions are so high, boy.
All right, so you're now operating a vehicle, you're now under arrest for operating a vehicle under the influence of drug, alcohol, or combination of them. If you refuse to take any chemical test required by law, your Ohio driving privileges will be suspended immediately, and you must pay a fee to have those privileges reinstated. If you get a prior conviction of OBI, operating a vehicle under the influence of illicit controlled substance or illicit metabolite controlled substance in our state, municipal law within the preceding 20 years, you're now under arrest for state OBI. If you refuse to take a chemical test, you will face increased penalties if you subsequently are convicted of the state OBI. If you take any chemical test required by law and are found to be at or over the permitted amount of alcohol, controlled substance, or metabolite of controlled substance in your whole blood serum, plasma, breath, or urine as set by law, your Ohio driving privileges will be suspended immediately, and you must pay a fee to have those privileges reinstated. If you take a chemical test, you can have an independent chemical test taken at your own expense. Bottom section right there, again, I know you know it. Left and right section for lengths of suspensions. Refusal, if you refuse tonight based on prior refusals, convictions, guilty pleas, within 10 years, get no priors, 1 year suspension, 1 prior 2 years, 2 priors 3 years, 3 or more priors 5 years. Column to the right, prohibited concentration of alcohol, based on prior convictions, guilty pleas within 10 years, no priors, it'd be 90-day suspension, 1 prior 1 year, 2 priors 2 years, 3 priors 3 years. So if I got it right, and I haven't confirmed yet if I do, but I believe you have no priors, DUI, OBI, nothing like that. So if that's the case, then you know the top line is what you'd be looking at. If you would refuse, it'd be a 1 year suspension imposed by the court, and if you take the test and happen to blow over the limit, it'd be a 90-day one automatically imposed by the court. It's up to you whether you want to take the test or not. You will?
I'll take it. Yeah.
Okay.
Why? Why would you take it? I mean, I get it, but your license is going to be suspended regardless. By you taking the test, it's only going to hurt you. You already know that you're intoxicated, so you're going to blow over the limit. You take the test, you're suspended for 90 days. You fail it, you're suspended for a year. You're still suspended. But by you taking the test only hurts you in court. take the suspension for the year and try to beat it and get off early. That's as simple as that, man. You know, crazy, man. But, you know, on the bright side, luckily he didn't hit nobody or anything like that. He didn't involve anybody else in his foolery. It was only him. And that's it, you know. So anyway, that's the fastest way to lose your job as a police officer. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna get officers 5 out of 5, man. They did the best to try to help him, and I like little things that they did to try to, you know, maneuver, like, you know, try to help his situation a little bit, you know. And then so yeah, 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.